Okay guys, today I have come in EDM Mall. I thought that in my area has fully hold, so I thought that I should go to anywhere to visit. Then I have come in EDM Mall. You can see here the summer camp is organized by EDM Mall, and you can also see here children are playing and they are enjoying his holiday here. And you can also see children's parents is are sitting there, and children are playing and they are enjoying his. And you can also see here the children are playing, but some children are taking his lunch right now. You can also see all the stores here, and I will see you one by one. Here's stores, EDM Mall. Let's start to first Masti Zone. This is Masti Zone, and you can see in this children can play here. I think video is allowed here. You can see all the instruments. If you come, then you come also here. This is good for children. You can see here. This is not bad. If you come in EDM Mall, then you should come in this Masti Zone. This is good for children's. First time I making this vlog, then I sometimes some hesitation, but I thought that we should making in the good video for the who wants to know English and wants to know about the new places for visit in Delhi. So you can see here guys, and if you want to come, then you should come in EDM Mall and visit. Here is many goods for enjoying and taking the clothes and everything in this store. So this is I also want to share. This is good. When I went in V3S Mall, then I thought this is big, but this is more big of V3S Mall. Okay guys, if you went to V3S Mall, I want to share that EDM Mall is bigger than V3S Mall. You can see here all the playing of children's, and if you have the children, then you can come in this Masti Zone. This name this store of Masti Zone, so you should come. Right now I am exiting in this Masti Mall, and I will show you the new store. You can see escalator and his name of Masti Zone. You can see, but these all are environment is so good. There is a new store of Barbecue Nation. You can come here and you can take the foods, dinner, breakfast, and you can hear the children are playing and enjoying his holiday. There was song. They are looking so good. Now I am going to down below and I will see the new stores and what's going on there. Let's see. You can see here the new stores, and there are some children and his parents. It's a Max, and you can see here clothes. I came to down now, and you can also see the all the children are playing and enjoying here, and all the this decorate has decorated very nice, and you can also see the switch beauty. When I was coming here, then I thought that maybe that I will be bored, but it is good, and it is so good, and the children are playing. You can see from so near. You can see from here the first. I am at the first floor, and you can see from the first floor, and the songs is going on so well, and the parents and children are playing in summer camp. You can see the blockbuster experience. Have a good Sut Patiala. You can see Sut Patiala. There are so people and children. Some children want to dance, but they are shaming, so they are not dancing. I thought, guys, this is my first vlog. Then I think you all like this, and you can also see all this environment of this. But I think this is good for everything. You can see, and there are so good decorated by the EDM mall. I thought that good.